What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Reddit. Now I'm on desktop, but if you're on mobile, you could just go onto the Reddit website on your Safari. If you go on the app itself, it won't work, but if you type in the website, you could just do it from here as well. It'll be the exact same process once you get to reddit.com. So what you're going to do is hit your username / profile picture / drop down box in the upper right hand corner there. And then if you just scroll down on that menu, it's going to be like the 4th or 5th option down. You're going to click on user settings. And right on this first tab here for account, if you just scroll all the way down, you could see the little red highlighted text that says deactivate account. Once you click on the deactivate account button, you're going to be left with this pop-up here. And it's just going to want you to have to enter your password and check your email and confirm that this is actually you that wants to deactivate this account and not someone that just hacked into your account and is going to delete it because you have some important posts on there that are popular or whatever. It's just an extra security measure on Reddit's end when deleting your account. But as you can see there, if you just check the email that is associated with your Reddit account, it is going to give you the next steps. From there, it is super self-explanatory to be able to just delete your Reddit account from there. If you had any questions though or were confused on how this worked, comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.